Namaste. Welcome to our day 9 30 days yoga challenge. Today we are going to work onto our hamstrings. So make sure you have again a rope and stretch your legs out. Bend your knees. Take the rope around the feet. Grab with your hands the rope. Keep your chest out. The way you want to grab is your chest is coming out. And then you want to push the leg slightly, slowly forward. Your back remains straight, chest out. Only your legs move forward, slowly, slowly. Can stretch all the way and see if you can do that. Your back still remains straight, and then you go slightly forward. Exhale, release. Repeat the same, but on the one leg, like Janu Sirsasana. So your left leg touches the perineum, back straight, working onto one leg. You can either do this or you can bend the knee, bring the chest closer to the knee, and then bring the leg out. So whichever feels the best. Exhale, release, change your leg. Right leg touch to your body, left leg out, back straight. And you're pulling the leg towards you and your chest slightly towards the knee. Each exhalation you want to bring the chest towards the knee, but without hunching, without bending from the thoracic area. Good. Release. Take away the rope. Open your feet wide. Bring the hands forward. Keep your back straight again. The higher your back, the better it will be for your hamstrings. And inhale, bring your arms up and back. Bring the hands back, chest out. And inhale, bring your arms up and forward. Inhale, reach out, up and back. Chest out. Whenever we're holding, remember to keep breathing normal. Back to the center, bring your arms up and forward. Then see if you can bring your elbows onto the ground. If you can, it's good. If you're not, you can just bring the hand slightly more forward. Check that your back remains straight. If you don't want to do this, back to the center, come back and lie onto your back. Again, take the rope and lie down. Raise your right leg up. Take the rope and grab your leg with your rope and try to pull your leg towards your chest. Don't worry if you can't lift the leg on the 90 degree. If you can do here and you're feeling stretch on your back of the legs, it's good. Stay there. Exhale, release. Change your leg. With each exhalation, you want to bring the legs slightly more towards you, and continue this way to progressively increasing flexibility of hamstrings. Exhale, release. Now we do both legs together. Inhale, lift the legs up. Pull both legs this time. Remember to keep your lower back onto the ground. Chin tucked to your chest. Good. Bend your knee. Now let go of the left leg. Raise the right leg up. And then bring your left hand onto the ground. And support with your right hand. Bring the leg towards the ground. And bring the leg back to the center. Bend the knee. Change your leg. Leg to the 90 degree possible or 30 degree, whichever is easy. Right hand on the ground, and with support, care, slowly bring your left leg towards the ground. Good. Come back to the center. Bring the leg back up and release. And let's go. Give about 30 seconds to rest your body. Bring your awareness onto your hamstrings and see how good it feels when your hamstrings have been stretched. And once again, you can go ahead if you want to relax longer, or you can stop the practice. Our practice for today is completed.